Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 launch nears as another approval is picked up. The second largest unpacked event of the year has become a place where new Samsung foldable phones get revealed, and they've recently secured another certificate. After they visited the FCC, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 have now passed through the NBTC. As expected, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 carry model numbers SMF936B and SMF721B respectively. Samsung is said to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 on August 10th and release the devices a couple of weeks later. This gives us less than 4 weeks to prepare ourselves. The recent visits to the FCC and the NBTC only reaffirmed that the Galaxy Z 4 line is closing in fast. Based on the information available so far, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 should have a 7.6-inch foldable AMOLED display and a 6.2-inch HD Plus cover display, both of which should support 120 Hz. The foldable is said to come in beige, burgundy, phantom black, and gray-green colors. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is claimed to be available in 3 storage options and will be sold in 4 different colors. The foldable comes as a successor to the Z Fold 3 from last year and is expected to have a similar design with some improvements to the build quality. The beige, gray, green, and phantom black will launch with 128 gigs, 256 gigs, and 512 gig storage options, and will come with 1 TB version, but the 1 TB version will be limited to selected markets, whereas the burgundy red could be limited to the top-end model, and is unlikely to be made available with 128 gigs option. On the software side, the foldable phones should ship with Android 12, and at least 1 new wallpaper each. The wallpaper designs can be seen in a couple of images that popped up in a recent One UI Watch 4.5 beta update, and will come with the 25 fast charging and 15 watt of wireless charging, and there is no built-in S Pen slot. So what do you guys think about this new update from Samsung? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.